Secretary to the Government of the Federation, Chief of Staff, media heads, without reappointment letter after expiration of Buhari's first tenure. Opposition CUPP says presidential aide's tenure expired with the end of Buhari's first term. Their continued stay in office is an act of illegality, impersonation, and desecration of sanctity of constitutional governance. CUPP said presidential aides risk prosecution over violation of Code of Conduct Act by continuing in office without first declaring their assets and with no letter of reappointment. President Buhari's inability to appoint personal presidential aides sign the president is still not yet ready to govern and lacks understanding of the urgency needed to fix Nigeria. Former heirs of President Buhari who are still in office should vacate office immediately or risk prosecution. We also call on President Muhammad Buhari to stop both Mustafa, Femi Adesina, Garba Shehu, Abba Kyari, Ita Enan from parading as officers of state until they have new letters of appointment. The Nigerian Opposition Coalition, CUPP, has commenced legal action over the continued illegal and unlawful stay in office of some heirs of President Muhammad Buhari who have not been reappointed by the President and their offices lapse with the first tenure of the President. The filing process of the action was completed today. The CUPP launched the new legal offensive in a bid to protect the principles of our nation's constitutional governance, and we are seeking that the court should declare the offices vacant, their occupants as illegal occupants and impostors, and their act a desecration of the sanctity of constitutional governance. The former Secretary to the Government of the Federation, Boss Mustafa, is still in that office. Senator Ita Enang is still parading as Special Advisor to the President on National Assembly matters. Mr. Abba Kyari is still parading as Chief of Staff to the President. Mr. Femi Adesina is still appearing in TV programs and signing press releases as Special Advisor to the President on media. Likewise, Mr. Garba Shehu, who is parading as Senior Special Assistant to the President on media and publicity. These, among other officials of the presidency, are still illegally occupying their former offices without any lawful authority, as the President have not made any announcement to the nation that he has appointed or reappointed officers into those positions. Any appointment, and I repeat, any appointment made pursuant to the provisions of this section shall be at the pleasure of the President and shall cease when the President ceases to hold office. The President's first term office expired the midnight of May 28, 2019. And because he was declared winner of the presidential election, he was sworn in again as President with fresh oath of office and a new mandate. Hence, all political appointments, except statutory ones made by the President, ceases to exist at the expiration of the constitutional mandate of 4 years and needs renewal if the President wants such officers in their former positions again.